Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. Simi Karan, a resident of Odisha's Balasore district and daughter of a Bhilai steel plant officer, cleared the UPSC Civil Services Exam 2019 with an All India rank of 31. At the time of clearing the test, Simi was 22 years old, thus becoming the youngest girl from the state to clear the exams. As COVID-19 pandemic outbreak is on the rise in Balangir, the district administration clamped complete shutdown on Thursday in order to prevent any probable spread of infection in the days ahead. The shutdown will remain effective from the 8th of August to the 11th. Odisha State Revenue Minister Sudham Mandi on Thursday said the low-pressure induced rain will help farmers of the state in their agricultural activities, which has been badly hit due to the deficit in the monsoon season this year. India Meteorological Department's regional centre in Bhubaneswar predicted that Odisha will experience heavy rainfall in the coming days, with a fresh low pressure brewing up in the Bay of Bengal on August 9th. The central government on Thursday released 890.32 crores as the second installment of the COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness package to 22 states and union territories, including Odisha. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, a research-led global pharmaceutical company, on Thursday announced that it is set to introduce a 400 mg version of oral antiviral FabiFlu for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 in India. It was the first Indian company to commercially launch an antiviral drug, Favipiravir, with brand name FabiFlu for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Television actor Sameer Sharma has allegedly ended his life by committing suicide. He was 44. Sharma was found hanging on Wednesday night from the kitchen ceiling of his residence. Looking at the condition of the body, the police have suspected that the actor probably died 2 days ago. A shocking fact is that the news about Sameer Sharma's death went viral online days before he died. Coincidentally, the same thing happened with Sushant Singh Rajput. A few hours before the Kedarnath actor died, a notification on Wikipedia showed that Sushant Singh Rajput is dead. That's all for today's bulletin. You were watching Odisha Post Live. For more such updates, stay tuned to our channel.